Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Kalinga University ERP account. So to log into your Kalinga University ERP account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Kalinga University ERP login. And after searching for that option, it will direct you to this page where you can just tap on the second option, which is say student ERP, and by tapping on student ERP it will direct you to this website. And from here you can log into your account through tapping on login. By tapping on login you can find these two options. So what you can do is just tap on one of those options. So if you are a member of student, in Kalinga University, what you can do is just enter your roll number and then enter your password. But if you are a staff member, what you can do is just enter your username and then enter your password. So after entering your roll number or password, or for your staff account you have to enter your username or password, what you can do is just tap on submit or tap on sign in. And by doing so you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password, and by doing so you can easily reset or recover your password by creating a new one. After creating a new password, just come back to the sign in page and just enter the new password that you have created and then tap on sign in. And after tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Kalinga University ERP account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.